Hello everybody, so it's been a while, but I'm back with a new video, and it's going to be me unboxing my new iPhone XS Max. I just got it today, and today was the first day that it was released, and today is September 21st. People have pre-ordered it, but it obviously takes longer for it to be shipped instead of me actually going to the store and picking it up, which I did because I'm impatient and I wanted my phone since I have an old phone right now. My phone is an iPhone 6s Plus. I like having a big phone, and this is great for me because it's the Max and it's the same size as the phone I have now. This was about 1.2K, a little under that, but like $4 under that. Crazy, but I needed a new phone, so I got it, and I'm definitely not going to be switching for a while because the phones are just going to get more and more expensive. iPhone X, it was just white and black. Yeah, so now this is the new color, the new phone, and it's 64 gigabytes because I don't really use a lot of gigabytes. Like right now my phone is only 64 and I still have like 20 gigabytes left, so no need to waste more money for no reason. But if you do want to upgrade, the next one would be from 64 would be 256, and it's like $150 more or something around there. Just know that I could have opened it right the second I got it, but I had to wait. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't want to drop it. Signed by Apple. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to drop it, so I'm gonna just. Oh, see, it's about to fall. But you see, like, it's the whole screen that's black. It's so beautiful. You can't really see. Actually, you can see that it's gold. Well, it looks white, but it's definitely gold. I don't even want to touch it. It's so precious. Yeah. Okay, and comes with the usual headphones, charger. The headphones, it should be regular headphones or the one that actually fits my iPhone. And comes with the jack. Oh no, it comes with the one that comes with the phone. There's no jack with it? Oh my god, that sucks. But charger. Apple side. So now we're at the hello page. Oh my god. Oh, you guys can't see it. It's just asking me for the language. English, United States. Okay, quick start. It's just asking me to set things up. Okay, so now I'm going to show you me setting it up since it's kind of hard to do it front facing. Okay, so I typed in my Wi-Fi password and everything. So now it's just saying that's going to take a minute to activate it. Let me just show you the back now that's clearer. Oh, my fingerprints are already on it, but look at how beautiful. My nails look horrible. Okay, continue. Oh, I gotta do this now, so hold on, guys. Yeah, I set up my Face ID and
okay, show Apple. Show, okay. Show time display. Continue. I don't like anything zoomed, so I definitely want standard. So let's go home. Switching between apps. I know how to do that already because, I take my friend's phone. Okay, I know how to do that too.
welcome to iPhone. Wow, guys, look. Okay, you can't really see, but this is basically it. The background's really nice. Let's look at the camera. I don't know if you can see from the phone, but it's looking real clear. Oh my god. Okay, well, that's my phone.